Hey everyone, welcome back to Eating Basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Picsart projects. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. So here in the middle, tap on this to create or open the projects that you have. So as you can see, your projects are all here. So tap on this see all button. So as you can see, all of your projects have been kept here. So in order to delete any one of them, tap on this three dot icon and now tap on delete. So again tap on delete and you're done. So this is how you delete one project. So in order to delete a huge mass, tap on this three dot on the top and tap on select. Now you can select multiple of them and at last you can delete it by using this delete button on the bottom and now tap on delete. So this is how you basically delete your project in Picsart. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.